Hi there everyone, this is Stephen O'Hara with the Better Software Company. In this video I will be showing you the new regional filters that have been added to the BPro events list page. Okay, so from your home menu, click on events. That'll bring you to the events list page. Then click on filters. Under filters, you'll see this new section, region filters. Okay, within region filters, we could search all events in our system, let's say tied to a specific address. Now you could use just the street name here and you'll get all of the results tied to that street name. If you are more specific and you pop in, say, a house number and the street name, then you will get those specific results, obviously likely specific to one client. Okay, you could also use city or town, zip code, postal code. Those are popular filters as well to apply. Again, so you can isolate those nearby events. That might help you with from a planning perspective, or even just seeing where you're spending some of the majority of your time doing the jobs. Okay, so I will pop in, say, a street address in this case. I will just put in 5 Rideau Street. Okay, this will show me all of the events in the system. You could do a combination filter too. So you could say put in street address and then apply like an event filter so that you're seeing appointments within a certain date range, let's say. So within, say, November. Okay, but I pulled 6 results here, which is perfect. Um, I've got those matches very quickly and easily. So those regional filters, I'm sure, will really help you out on the events list. Now, I wanted to point out one more thing that I think a lot of people don't realize, and that is from your global scheduler calendar or dispatch page, again, depending on your system's language, here you can use your search bar to search for the same information. So of course, your calendar is very visual, right? So I like visual stuff, as I'm sure you do too, right? So if I type in, say, 5 Rideau Street here, you can search up anything that's tied to your events here in the search bar. It could be the customer name, it could be the address, it could be the phone number, email potentially tied to the client. If it's attached to the event, it'll show up here. Some folks will even look up specific line items, right? So if I want to look up all of my jobs that say have a certain line item tied to them, I could type it in here and pull those events up quite quickly. As you can see here, I type in 5 Rideau Street. The system recognizes it as a piece of information that's available in my calendar. And of course, I have 3 events isolated for the month of November. Very, very simple. Again, this can be extremely helpful from a kind of like a route planning perspective, right? If somebody calls and they say, yeah, I live on Rideau Street or I live in a certain zip code, I might punch it into my calendar search bar here, find out when the next day is that I have events in that area, and I'll do my best to suggest, hey, okay, Mr. Customer, we're in your area on the 6th of November and again on the 8th. Would either of those days work for you? Oh, the 8th would work? Okay, perfect. Well, it looks like we're there really early in the morning, 4 a.m. So how about say 6 a.m., right? Again, ways that you can really try to optimize your schedule, especially from a geographic standpoint. So regional filters on your events list. Again, wanted to point out the search bar capability here on the dispatch slash global calendar. And I hope you find both very helpful. Okay, so if you have any questions about either, please feel free to chat into me or the support team here. And also share your feedback with us. We love it, and it always helps. So, uh, anyways, with that, thank you very much for joining me today. I'm sure we'll talk to you very soon. Have a nice one. Take care.